Heat lamps are fragile and may be damaged during transportation. If you receive products and find them damaged, contact our customer support, Blerema service@outlook.com. We will send a new replacement to you. Now we show you how to assemble the heat lamp and lamp socket. Gently screw clockwise the heat lamp into the lamp socket all of the way so it makes good contact. Do not use force. Plug in, power on. Check to see if they works. Secure one end of the springs to the iron net. Secure the other end of the springs to the lamp socket. Check for stability.